Okay, let's try not to have another episode like we did last time. I can be late. There's like no stress. It's not necessary. I can take the time I need in order to get my life. My lips are dry, as always. Chronically under dehydrated. All right, so we're gonna tone. That's it. Okay. My eyes burning. I'm taking some witch hazel. I'm using it to tone, but also open up my pores so that way I can put like product on my face, like priming product. You know, I took a shower and unfortunately it's been like an hour since I got out of the shower. That means my pores have closed up and I no longer have open pores, obviously, because they're closed. I just said that. Skincare. Now that I've let my pores close up, it's perfect time to put on product. So now we're gonna do our face primer. And I got the Thank Me Later face primer because, I don't know. All right. Oh my God, it's so smooth. Dude, that feels hella good. I also got the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. I need to prime my eyelids, like at a certain point. I think it's time to finally start. I got these like cheap ass beauty blender type situations from Walmart and I'm gonna use them. Applying makeup is such a thing. Like, really is. Oh, something's in my eye too. The fact that like I haven't even like really blended this out. This is just me trying to apply it all over my face, and then you have to keep going over it to like blend it and make it look like even. Oh my God, it's so much work. We did that. Okay, so I'm using my Bare Minerals matte foundation to foundation my face. Okay. I mean, I feel like that was like a really long, you know, like I really did it. Just to make sure I have even coverage, I'm going back in over with a brush. Maybe I should use this to begin with. Probably the answer is yes. I'm just doing everything except for around my eyes. We're gonna use some other products there. So I need to do my shadow. No, I'm gonna do the shadow last. I'm going to do my outlines. Okay, so we're gonna take... No, I think I do need some shadow first. Come on, fucking cooperate, shit. All right, so we're gonna do this again, and I know okay, so we're gonna do this little shit last. Learned my lesson. I had fucking big ass one coming all the way down here. Okay. What if I just like really phoned it in and like went in like this, like, hey guys, this is my Halloween look. I'm really trying to think about like what I want to do next.
One eternity later.
Let me consult my repertoire of product. We also got a black shadow, and I know that's gonna make a mess. I'm thinking a little bit like, you know, before I get too cray, that I want to like maybe put a little white on my face, so that way it can ash out my face ever so slightly. It's not like I'm full on skull, but like, you know, I'm a little bit. I'm gonna use this cheap ass paintbrush that I got at Marshall's that's like falling apart. I'm gonna add some product to my hand. Oh, this brush is like shedding like crazy, and it's bringing me back to a place that I didn't want to go. I don't remember the consistency of this white that I'm using, so I'm just spreading it on the back of my hand And I know this brush is not going to work out, so I think I just need to throw away all those brushes. Instead, I'm going to take this whack-ass beauty blender and I'm going to do this. Whoa, this like whole thing has the littlest amount of product in it. I'm already to like the bottom. I'm already to the bottom. And those hairs are from this brush. So it's not like, I'm not like gross. How this is coming out, I'm not so mad about. And it looks a little patchy and it's like, oh, this kind of works, you know? Like for once. Clock is slow. Oh, it's way later than it looks. Shit. I keep forgetting that it rolls back at the earlier time because George Bush fucking made our shit go back, renewed daylight savings time, and made it start like at different times than like the whole entire United States is used to. Not happy about that. Patchy, yes. I'm like a light mineral veil, which is supposed to not, it's like light in color, you know? We're gonna try and set this. Okay, so this is set. This kind of gave me a little more color back in my face again, which is okay. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, I feel like a dense brush is what I need. So I'm going to start in with this brush is too thick. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, and I'm gonna start with like real contour makeup, and then I'm gonna go into like black eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use, because you know, I'm gonna use a dark brown, like a medium brown. I'm starting to like really feel this. It's like coming together, I think. Okay, now we're gonna do some black shadow. Oh no, blend like your life depends on it. I think that's gonna work. Now, I'm not done with the black, unfortunately. I'm gonna mix it out on my hand to apply that even coverage to the brush so I don't have that density that I had moments ago. And I'm gonna come back in to my contour on my cheek. chin area and darken that up. And I don't know that's what I'm supposed to do. So if I'm sounding too official, just know that I don't know what I'm doing. This is what I feel like I should do, just because understanding shadowing, like I want to cut my double chin. So I feel like I just kind of need that. Okay. Oh, girl. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. Post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, this brush has a lot of black on it now, so I'm gonna do some light black contouring on my hairline. And then I'm gonna take that other brush that I've been using and I'm going to, you know what, do the same thing I've been doing, which is blend out this black contour. Okay, let's start to work towards finishing out these eyes, because it's gonna really make things come together. But before we do that, I'm gonna do my nose. The fuck? I don't love how this creamy black is not jet black. It comes out gray, and also I have the white underneath, but it does come out gray. Like, it doesn't apply jet. So I'm gonna have to use shadows and shit to like really help this out. I'm going to take this black shadow brush and I'm going to set this nose with the leftover shadow that was on this brush. And that'll help keep it in place. So we're going to do shadow around my eye, kind of quick and sloppily. And then that will help me kind of see like where this eye look is at and what needs to be done to make it better. Okay, now remember I added too much black up here, so I'm trying to blend that out. But I do want it to look like really, I want there to be depth, you know, I want it to be like really layered. I bought this special effects kit and it had great reviews. I think it comes with some brushes which are cool, but honestly I do not have time to like play with it. It has all this stuff here, and it gives you some examples of some looks, but I don't think I know I'm not gonna have time to get into it. Could use a little extra powder, but I think, you know, I know I'm mostly gonna be relying, what the hell, on this for the majority of this look. Something I don't love, and that's something I don't love, so I am trying to correct for that too. Like how many different angles you have to really master, and really this is an issue because of the left side, right side for me. I'm actually not too upset about this side. I need to redo the shadow a little bit. Some darker color, blend it down a little, but I'm not too mad at it. The shape is okay. So now it's getting this side to cooperate. Now I need to buff out this upper eye area with some black shadow. Where is the black shadow? I'm also trying to apply the same shadow to any of the places that were previously wet because I want, 1, even blending, and 2, I want to set it. Yeah? Yeah. See that like light line there? I don't like that. Why is that there? It's not here on this side. Okay. Okay, so I think that's cool. That's like definitely good enough. Clean this brush again. Now I need to do some liner and the shit needs to be poppin'. I need to like get my life with when I do this liner. I love these markers because I can never draw. Not even. So that's a problem. But, you know, it's gonna do. That's cool. Now I want to stamp on a little bit of color with my fave colors down on my underline because it's cute. Yes. This is a lip primer. It helps your lipstick stay on long. I never use it. I'm gonna use it today. Perfect. Skulls usually have like a little like excess. I don't know if I want to do that. Teeth hella yellow. All right, so this is the look. I think I did it. I did that. Okay, I gotta hurry up and I'll show you the final look once I am dressed, so I'll be back. Yay, we recorded some shit.